Hello friends, this is a lecture of class 8, subject maths, exercise 17a. Today we will solve our next example of this exercise, and the bases are to construct a quadrilateral like when three sides and two angles are given. Clear? मीन्स हमें एक ऐसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे जिसमें थ्री साइड्स दे रखी होंगी और टू एंगल्स गिवन होंगे. सो ऑन द बेसिस वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट a quadrilaterals ABCD in which AB is 3.6 centimeter, angle ABC 80 degree, BC 4 centimeter, angle BAD 120 degree and AD is 5 centimeter are given. So steps, that is draw AB is 3.6 centimeter taken because AB is 3.6 centimeter given in our statement. Now make an angle ABX 80 degree, means on B vertices make an angle 80 degree. This is known as rays like BX. Now with the B center and radius equal to 4 centimeter, draw an arc cutting BX at the point C. Now make an angle BAY, that is 120 degree, means on vertices A make an angle 120 degree and take the center A also. 5 centimeter radius you have to take and draw an arc which cutting AY at the D. Clear? Now join C to D, then ABCD is a required quadrilateral, that is ABCD. Clear? Now the next case is construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Means जब two adjacent sides और three angles given हो तब हम एक quadrilaterals को construct करेंगे. So on this basis we have to solve our next example, that is example 4. Statement is construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ is 4.5 centimeter, angle PQR 120 degree, QR 3.8, QRS 100 and QPS 60 degree. So draw PQ, that is 4.5 centimeter, make an angle 120 degree on the vertices A, name like this, given QX. Clear? Now with center Q, take radius 3.8 centimeter, draw an arc which cutting QX at the point R. Now make an angle QRY 100 degree, means on vertices R make an angle 100 degree. Now make angle on P vertices 60 degree. When we extend like this two rays, both are intersect at the point S. So PQRS is a required quadrilateral. Now to construct a quadrilaterals when four sides and one angle are given, means अब हमें यहाँ पर एक ऐसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे जहाँ पर फोर साइड्स और वन एंगल हमें दिया हुआ होगा. सो दैट इज एग्जांपल 5. construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 3.8, BC 3.4, CD 4.5, AD 5 centimeter and angle B is 80 degrees given. Clear? Now draw AB 3.8 centimeter, that is 3.8 centimeter. Angle ABX is 80 degree, that is on vertices B make an angle 80 degree. This is 80 degree. Get the like, that is BX. Clear? Now take the center B, draw an arc, that is radius taken equal to 3.4 centimeter, draw an arc which cut BX at the C. Clear? Now with center A, radius equal to 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Clear? Like this is arc. Now with center C and radius equal to 4.5 centimeter, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at the D. Now join A to D and C to D, that is ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Clear? This is ABCD, which our required quadrilateral. Now you have to solve the sums from 6 to 9, means only 4 sums you have to solve in fair notebook of this exercise. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.